Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today I'm excited to share with you the review of a new series I watched last week. Thanks to my sister-in-law for recommending this to my wife, and both of us caught up on this series last weekend. And my word, what a fun ride this series is. We thoroughly enjoyed it, binge watching it. It's 6 episodes, crisply done. They're not very long. But the beauty of the series is it's fun, it's light, it's breezy, it has its funny moments, it has its sensitive moments, but very nicely done, no melodrama. A compelling watch, and I'm sure something that you will thoroughly enjoy if you watch it in one shot over the weekend. The series I'm talking about is Masaba Masaba. It's on Netflix. Today it's the number 1 rated series on Netflix India. Here's my review of Masaba Masaba. So what's the series all about? Well, it's a slice of the real life of Masaba Gupta and Neena Gupta. Masaba Gupta, as you know, is Neena Gupta's daughter. She is one of the top designers in India. Her Masaba prints are quite popular with fashionistas. And Neena Gupta, she is an accomplished actress. Many of you would remember her from the recent super hit movie Badai Ho, where she acted as the pregnant mother of Ayushmann Khurrana. And what a riot of a movie that was. A great comedy, something that we have seen after a very long time, a pure comedy movie. And she has been an accomplished actress for many years in Indian cinema. She has acted in some wonderful serials like Bunyad Khandan in the past. She has done movies like Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, the famous Choli Ke Piche song in Khalnayak. And so she has been in the industry for many years. I mean, she's quite a veteran. So this series actually explores the relationship between mother and daughter when they're going through a sensitive time in their lives. Masaba is going through a divorce, and that is affecting her relationship with her friends, her mother. It's affecting her work. She's not able to get inspirational ideas to come out with a new fashion line that she has promised her business associates. So that's the struggle she's going through. And Neena Gupta is going through her own struggle. She's not been getting good roles in Indian cinema. She's struggling to get meaningful roles, so she actually goes on to do a post on Instagram asking for good roles, post which Badai Ho happens, and of course rest is history. I mean, she's back in the reckoning now. So this relationship between mother and daughter, it's brought out in a fun way, in a breezy way, in a light way. They have their squabbles, but then they do look out for each other. There is one particular scene that stands out where Neena Gupta actually is going for the first shot of Badai Ho. And she's really looking forward to having Masaba there because she's quite nervous. You know, it's been a while since she acted as a main role, so she's nervous and she wants her daughter there. So and it's brought out very nicely, you know, in a light way, not too melodramatic. The series also captures a relationship that Masaba has with her best friend Jia. Both of them are thick friends. They stand for each other during thick and thin. And Jia is a fun girl. You know, she makes fun of Masaba. She pulls her leg. And those moments that both of them are together are the real fun moments of the series. I mean, some real hilarity is there, and you will definitely chuckle when both of them are there on the screen. And of course, the showstopper of the series, is Masaba Gupta. She comes across as very natural in front of the camera. I think this is the first time she's acting, and it doesn't feel like she's acting at all. And in fact, in some areas, she in fact outshines Neena Gupta, who is a far more accomplished actress. So that gives a lot of credit to Masaba to do this wonderful role in this series. She's playing herself, but still, it's a fabulous performance by her. Overall, I would say it's a great watch. It's a breezy watch. You can actually finish it off in one sitting. 6 episodes, crisply done. You can actually watch them in no time, and they are done so well that when one episode ends, you will not be able to get up till you actually go through the other episodes. So it's like start to end. It will be very difficult to move away from not watching it in one shot. I strongly recommend. Please do watch it, and you will definitely enjoy it. It's a fun, light, breezy series. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, giving your feedback. I look forward to bringing more reviews and views to you on the movies and series that I've been seeing. So till then, happy watching.